What if I told you that you could earn over $100,000 a month without ever showing your face, without complicated editing, and using just one free tool? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's 100% true. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact faceless video method that earns me over $115,000 every single month by uploading as little as 2 videos per month. And here's the crazy part. I'm doing it all with Canva. That's right, no pricey software, no technical headaches, no need to show your face. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly blueprint to making high-quality, faceless tutorial videos. The same type of videos dominating YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now. Stay with me to the end because I'll show you how anyone, even complete beginners, can replicate this and start earning fast. Part 1. The untold truth about profitable faceless videos. Let me tell you a little secret. Every successful faceless creator on YouTube has one thing in common. They all picked a niche. But not just any niche. They chose profitable, search-friendly topics that viewers are hungry for. Yet, most of them won't tell you which ones work. Here's the truth. The highest performing niche in the faceless content world right now is tutorial videos. Think about it. When was the last time you searched for a how-to video? Probably today, right? People constantly ask how to remove a background, design a thumbnail, and create a resume, all of which you can easily demonstrate using Canva. These aren't just helpful, they're monetizable. YouTube rewards watch time. And tutorial content naturally leads to longer views, better engagement, and higher CPMs. Not to mention, Canva makes it easy to visually guide your audience through each step. Coming up next, why 99% of people never even get started, and how Canva removes all the excuses. Part 2, why most people never start. Let's talk about the number one reason most people never start: overwhelm. They see popular YouTubers using high-end cameras, expensive microphones, complicated software, and they freeze. I can't afford all that, they think. Or, I don't have the skills. Here's the truth, you don't need any of it. Most of my faceless videos are made entirely in Canva. No voice. Use text-to-speech or royalty-free music. No camera. You don't need one. No editing experience. Canva makes it drag and drop simple. The barrier to entry is lower than it's ever been, and still, people hesitate. Why? Because they think the market is saturated. But here's the truth, it's not saturated. It's segmented. There's a big difference. Most people quit because they compare their beginning to someone else's middle. But what if you started, and got just 1% better with each video? That's how you win. Not by being perfect, by being consistent. Part 3. Finding the perfect faceless niche. This is the part most people overcomplicate, picking a niche. Here's how I see it. The best faceless video niches are ones where people are already searching for answers. Think tutorials, motivation, how-to guides, inspirational stories, productivity hacks, Canva tips, stuff that solves a problem or delivers inspiration. Let's say you love organizing. You could start a faceless channel showing how to design a weekly planner in Canva. Or maybe you're into tech. A faceless tutorial on how to create mobile app mockups using Canva would do great. When you align your niche with things people are actively searching for, you're no longer begging for views. YouTube starts working for you. Pick one niche. Stick with it for at least 20 videos. Analyze what performs. Then double down on what works. That's the formula successful creators follow. Not guesswork, data-driven tweaks over time. Part 4. Scripting and planning like a pro. Here's the biggest secret to high-retention faceless videos: great scripting. You don't need a fancy voice or expensive mic. But you do need structure. Every video should have a hook, value delivery, and a strong call to action. Start with a bold question or promise in the first 5 seconds. Then, script your tutorial step by step. Each scene should introduce a new visual or animation to keep the viewer engaged. In Canva, it's easy to storyboard your video using the presentation format. Slide 1. Hook. Slide 2. Step 1 of your tutorial. Slide 3. Step 2, and so on. By the end of your script, lead to a natural call to action. Something like, if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips every week. A good script eliminates guesswork and maximizes engagement. And Canva's design-friendly layout helps you visualize that script like a pro, even if you've never edited before. Part 5. Recording voiceovers without showing your face. No face? No problem. In fact, Faceless is the future. You have 3 easy options. Use your own voice with tools like Audacity or Canva's voice recorder. Use AI voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs, Muff, or Canva's built-in TTS. Hire voice actors from platforms like Fiverr if you want variety. Here's what matters more than the voice: the clarity, pacing, and emotion. Match your tone to the script. Don't rush. Don't be robotic. Whether it's you or AI, it should feel human. Canva makes this easy. You can record right inside the platform, adjust timing, and sync with visuals instantly. No exporting, no fuss. Part 6. Creating B-roll and animations with Canva. This is where the magic happens. You don't need to download stock footage or create animations from scratch. Canva has a huge library of stock photos and videos, animated text, stickers and motion graphics, transitions and effects. Just drag and drop. Resize. Animate. Done. You can create engaging B-roll slides to match your script. Talking about niches. Show trending YouTube search results. Talking about voiceovers. Show a screen recording of the tool. Explaining something technical. Use Canva's whiteboard-style templates. It's visual storytelling without being on camera, and Canva makes it almost too easy. Part 7. Putting it all together, editing inside Canva. This is where it all clicks, editing your full video inside Canva. Canva's video timeline lets you upload or record your voiceover. Drop your scenes, images, and animations into place. Add background music and adjust volume levels. Trim, cut, and align everything perfectly. No exporting to other apps. No syncing headaches. It's all in one place. And the best part? You can create templates for your videos. This means the next one takes half the time. Want your workflow even faster? Use Canva's Magic Animate and Magic Resize to speed things up. This is editing for non-editors, and it works. Part 8. Publishing and optimizing for views, 12 to 1300 hours. You've got your faceless video. Now let's get it seen. Upload to YouTube or TikTok. Use Canva to design scroll-stopping thumbnails. Write a keyword-rich title and description. Use hashtags for reach. Add captions right inside Canva if needed. Pro tip: the first 30 seconds of your video should be gold. If people bounce early, the algorithm won't push your video. Bonus: repurpose your video for Instagram Reels, Facebook, and Shorts with Canva's Resize tool. One video. Multiple platforms. Maximum reach. Part 9. Monetizing without AdSense. This part most creators miss. You don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to earn money. Here are faster ways. Affiliate links, promote Canva, AI tools, or gadgets you use. Digital products, sell templates, guides, or resources. Services, offer voiceover, editing, or scripting as a freelancer. Use Canva to design your sales pages, product mockups, and portfolios. You already have the skills, you just need to package them. Final word. So there you have it, the exact blueprint I used to grow a faceless YouTube channel to over $100K/month, using nothing but Canva. No experience. No editing degree. Just consistency, creativity, and the right tools. Now it's your turn. Hit subscribe if you learned something. Like this video if you feel inspired. Drop a comment below, what niche are you starting with? This could be the beginning of your creator journey. Let's go make something amazing with Canva.